Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer CRM data from Salesforce to HubSpot, full guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Salesforce account. Navigate to the Salesforce Reports section. Create a new report by selecting the type of data you wish to export. Customize your report to include all relevant fields and records. Once finalized, click on the Run button to generate your report. After the report runs, select Export to download the file. Choose the CSV format for your export file and save it to your computer. Next, log into your HubSpot account. In HubSpot, click on the Import button to begin the data transfer process. Select Start an Import and then choose File Upload. Upload the CSV file. Mapping the columns from your CSV to the fields in HubSpot is crucial. Ensure that each column is correctly aligned with the corresponding HubSpot property. Once everything is mapped, proceed by clicking the Next button. Review your import settings to confirm accuracy. Click Finish Import to start the data transfer process. HubSpot will notify you when the import is complete. Check your contacts in HubSpot to verify that the data has been transferred successfully. If discrepancies occur, revisit the mapping stage to correct any issues. Consider setting up integrations for future data synchronization between Salesforce and HubSpot. Regular checks on data integrity can help maintain accurate records over time. You have now successfully transferred your CRM data from Salesforce to HubSpot. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.